He says, is this position direct with Amazon or through a contracting company? It is through a contracting company. So I'm still working for the same organization, but they have a cloud. They have a whole nother department that has a cloud infrastructure. So I'm making a lateral change over there. They're using a cloud native environment. So that's perfect. It's not directly Amazon. So I don't know that maybe one day it'll be directly for Amazon, but that's not my goal in particular. I want to get maybe, I'm not saying I would turn down an Amazon job like a crazy person, but doing cloud, you know what I mean? And he goes on to say, did you find more direct opportunities or contract opportunities on your search? I assume this position feels more secure than your previous one. Yes, I did. So, yes, sir. I did find, I'm still finding more opportunities using what I did here. So let me show you guys my screen here. So this right here is working so effectively, I got to turn it off. This right here, this premium, this little thing right here that I had to pay for, this premium link. Let me show you my screen here. This right here on LinkedIn, it worked for me. I gotta say it's worked. I did have to pay money for it, but man, I'm still getting contacts from people. I gotta turn it off because I got what I was looking for. I'm still getting contacts from Monster. It's the process that I did actually works. I'm still getting people contacting me. Now, to answer your question more effectively, what I will say is, I know where you're going with this, Larry. Yes, the current job that I'm doing is more secure than the previous one. The previous one had a direct impact from the current administration. The current changes, for whatever reason, directly impacted the organization I'm in, and it constantly in real time right now is impacting everybody who works there. And I wish I could say more, but in the interest of protecting the people who actually work there, I just, I have to talk to you on the phone personally, but to publicly broadcast, and I don't think that will be helpful to the people who help me, right? That company, that company that I work for really helped me out. So I can't talk bad about them, and the people who work there, they're human beings, they're doing their best given the circumstances. It's not their fault, right? It's the people made a decision, and now we are feeling the impact of what's happening with this current administration. I'm in one of the government organizations that is impacted by the direct decisions that they are making. And I gotta say, it's not all good, right? It's not all good right now. Maybe because it's a transitional period and eventually will come out of it, right? Maybe something good. I hope something good comes out of it. But right now, it's a wrecking ball, and it's destroying a lot of people's livelihoods and jobs. And there's just a lot of uncertainty right now. The current position I'm going into, more stable, but who knows, right? That might be impacted by it because I'm still a contractor working for the government. So Larry went on to say, I have LinkedIn Premium as well. People do reach out. I agree. It's hard to tell which are legit and which maybe not. And most of my job, that's a great point, Larry. Like a lot of the work I'm doing is weeding out the stuff that don't apply to me, or does not, either it's not in the line with what I do, or I don't want that job, or it's for whatever reason they're contacting me. It has nothing to do with, like, they're talking about underwater basket weaving. I don't do that. You know what I mean? Like I know I get a lot of, every now and then I get people contacting me about why testing Wi-Fi or something. I'm like, I mean, I could, but like, how much do you pay? You know, it's not what I do. You know, if it's vulnerability management or risk management or something like that, then yeah, that's what I do. But they'll just contact me about just oddball stuff like IBM Big Fix. I mean, I messed with that like 20 years ago. Like, I don't do that anymore. You know what I mean? So Sippy Talk says, I work in a knock right now for a DoD contractor, but looking to also pick up SOC skills